Flying Brian here on another project day. Today I'm putting a new door in the front of my house. On the edge of the door I have to mortise in some hinge pockets. And I'm going to use this Ryobi mortising jig to make those hinge pockets, and we're going to learn how to use this today. So come along. Made by Ryobi, this jig has a couple of useful features worth mentioning. To start, there are presets for milling pockets for 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and 5-inch hinges. And includes these removable filleted corners. They can be pressed out like this, and turning the jig over, you can stow the piece right here so it doesn't get lost. The same on the other side. Pop it out, turn it over, and press it into its little storage place. Here on the side are these convenient depth gauges that take the guesswork out of setting the proper depth on your router bit. One for standard hinges and one for thicker hinges. And here is a place to store the router bit, which incidentally comes with the jig. This gray strap-looking thing is a bracket that is stowed here on the side of the jig, can be popped out and installed on the other side of the jig. Just like this. And provides support for the router while milling out the mortises. Let's make some mortises, which starts with laying out exactly where I want the 3 hinges located on the edge of the door. Now, positioning the jig on the door edge and snug it up with its clamp to hold it securely in place. Remove the support from its storage place and snap it into its place on the open side of the jig. Router bit is stored in the jig. It's an easy process to get that out. I just push down on the shank. It releases it from its holder, and there it is. Using the depth gauge, I set the router bit to the correct depth. Fire up the router and work it around inside the jig and cut out the mortise. There's one. I do the same for the center hinge pocket. Let's see how the hinge fits. And the last one. Perfect fit. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.